here at the put-in at the second Machias Lake. It is a beautiful day, a little brisk, cold. Gonna be heading that way. Getting all the gear set up. It's gonna be a good time. So we made it to this random campsite. We decided we're not going to camp out here because it's too close to the road, and this one is actually a private campsite. There's a public one over there past the tree line. But Zach's fishing. It's going good. That was a pretty good rapid right there. Kind of freaked me out a little bit, but it's cool. We had to go right down right through there because it's all filled in up pretty high right there. So we didn't want to drop that, but we had a nice little line right in there, and it was fun. The Owls did a freaking great job. This is freaking cool river. I like this one more than St. John because more technical. And it's slow, but like it's slow, and then right when you're bored, there's a rapid, so it's fun. You know, I really like this one. I'm here. I'm gonna film my dad going down this rapid. I'm not doing it. But he thinks he can run it. We took out some of the gear. Gal's down there. Zuck's right there. He's over there. I'm a little nervous for him. I just don't know what the frig I'd do to help him, but I'm here and I'm prepared to jump in with the GoPro on me into the water to save him. history is he was not impressed because Bogan completely fucked everything up and jumped in the boat and followed him and tried to swim and tried to die. So Zach is holding him back and he's doing it again with the green canoe. It's beautiful. I'll start filming when he goes. That was a good run right there. Cool. That was a good run. No Bogan there to screw him up. At least it's not raining and it's bouncing off us.
Oh my gosh.
So we're at our first campsite. There's the river. Yes, take a little hike through this trail here. Here we got a pretty kick-ass campsite. Half fireplace. That's still really freaking awesome. That'll block the wind for us a little bit. We could probably rake up a spot over there and camp out there or anywhere. It's an awesome spot. It's a freaking cool spot. Time for us to set up. Just it like that and then just snap it with your hand. It's chipped.
Smack it.
All right, so we're here at the campsite we called Granite. We set up and everything. We have the tarp over the fire. We have this tent going with the vestibule. It's a pretty sweet setup going on. And we're gonna make some food. We're getting the fire going right now. All going good. All right, we're here on the next morning. Everybody slept actually very good. We were all cooped up in the same tent, so it was kind of nice to share warmth, so good times.
We are packing the boats back up.
Good fun. We're doing good. We're stopping to get some water out of the boats because Bogan friggin' fell out like a fool. So he fell out, kind of funny, not really, but we had to get water out. That last rapid was pretty scary that we did, but it's been going good. It's been going good.
I don't know how to turn it on to camera mode, but we just went under there, and now they're scouting out this. And here's Zuck fishing. I don't know how to do camera mode though.
Okay, let me do camera mode.
All right, we're here having some lunch. We just ran Airline Rapids. You probably saw the video. My dad and I did it together because we didn't want the kids to do them because it's a little sketchy. Bogey's got his dinner here. We're eating some caramel delight.
We're just gonna share these cups to drink some water.
Time for. As we can see, it usually means that we're coming up on a rapid, which then means we get wet. But that's okay, because it's fun. But it's pretty peaceful right now. All right, we're here at the second campsite. We haven't really made a name for it yet, but I will insert it once we figure out the name. But check it out. Got some tarps up for wind blockage. Got the fire going. Tenting up right there. Giants and clothes up here. Nice straight sailing for the morning. Don't have to get right into any shit. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. we're here, putting in the next day. It's day number 2. We're thinking it's gonna be our last day today. We were able to, we've really been able to crank right along. And so it's been going great. It's an awesome campsite, beautiful view. Good focus. The falls are way up there. So cool. Little stream going through. Beautiful place. I gotta go help pack up though.